Wobblies! Welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're putting interlocking foam tile inside on the floor of Poe. So why are we doing this? Bill's described it best when he says, there is a river of cold air that comes up from the floor of the camper. It even goes up through the 4-inch mattress. One fix for this is a heated mattress pad, and that works great when electricity is available. But there are lots of places we want to go that don't have electricity available, so we needed a different solution. And that's when we found the interlocking foam tile. Each foam tile is 2 feet by 2 feet, and it's 1/2 inch thick. Each tile interlocks with the other with a puzzle-like edge, and when you receive the tile, 2 edges will have a finishing piece. It's a finishing piece that fits on the edge to give it a nice straightness. The finishing edge pieces are the same on one end and different on the other. One of the finishing edge pieces is made to make a corner, and the other is if that tile is going to be a true straight edge. The foam is very dense. Each tile is textured on one side and smooth on the other. Let's install some tile. We chose to go to the inside edge of the floor molding rather than on top of the molding, so that the foam lays perfectly flat on the floor without being kicked up on the edge and having airspace underneath. So did it work? In a word, yes. We tried it out last night. The temperature got down to 30 degrees and we chose not to run the heater. We did have the ceiling vent open with the exhaust fan running on low. That helps keep the condensation way down. And we were warm. And we didn't experience any cold river of air coming up from the floor at all. Of course, the air was cool, but it wasn't that massive movement of air from the floor. We, of course, had more covers on top of us, but we had the same amount of covers on the mattress that was under us as we had before when we were experiencing the river of air. So it works, it works, it works. Well, happy day. We'll put a link to the interlocking foam tile in the video description below. In the comments on our video review about Poe, somebody asked how it works with a dog. The commenter was concerned how their dog would do if they took it camping. And what Bill and I do is practice at home before we go. We get the dog used to being in the camper, to going in and out, to sleeping with us. We had Viva sleeping with us last night, and she does not do well in cold. She doesn't sleep well when it's cold. So she was wearing a little jacket that I made for her. Plus we cover her up with blankets. We not only practice how things work with a new camp system with a dog, we also practice it for us. Thanks for watching, Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.